Hey guys, in this video I want to teach you one of the best selling and high demand service you can sell in websites like Fiverr for example, or if you take my WordPress course, and as you know it's a bonus for all students enrolled in this course. I have showed you the best websites to sell templates and themes. You can create your own and sell it on that website. And I think this will be a very good reason to learn how the masters design and program their themes and templates, then charge a high price. And in addition to all of that, you can sell this service in your website, or you can do this favor for yourself and save the money each time you want to create a new website. I think it's awesome, isn't it? Okay, the service is programming websites templates. It is very easy and you can make it quickly. And don't worry about the word programming because it doesn't need any programming skills, and you will discover that soon. As usual in this course, let me first show you a sample of the title and the description of this service. But again, it is just an example, so don't use it. Be creative to be unique. Okay, as an example for the title you can write, I will program a website 3 pages template in 2 days for $15. The description: do you want to launch a website but you cannot find the proper design? Do you have a picture for your website in your mind but you didn't find a similar ready-to-use template? You are in the right place. In this gig I will design and program the template exactly as you want with only 15, and you will not find such service under $50. The requirements that you need from your customer: the niche, the number and the name of the pages, the main colors or the main color, and additional information like menus, the header, the layout can be discussed after purchasing. You can provide an extra service, 2 more pages for $5. Okay, now let me assume that we get an order. The customer need a template for a software website, 3 pages, home, about us and privacy, and the main color need to be blue. Now, all you need to do this service is this program. It is Artisteer. It's an amazing program with a lot of powerful features to make your job very easy even if you don't have any programming skill. The first thing, when you open this program, you will get this box. It is to choose your template design. You can browse the template here, or you can choose the category from here. In our example, we need a template related to software. So let me choose the technology here. Here you can find some designs. Let me choose this because it's blue. But don't worry, you can change the color when you want. But I always prefer to do that here because in fact I am not so good in choosing the colors. Okay, here is our template now. First thing, let me create the pages here. You can see we have the home page, but we need about us page and the privacy. You can see that this template has already the contacts page. You can give it for your customers as a bonus, for example. You are not losing anything. Now, as I told you, this program contains a lot of options and it is very easy to discover it. I will not explain all of them to save your time, but I will explain in short these tabs here. First, the home tab. Actually, if you want, you can just use this tab. Yes, it's true. You can see these buttons here. Just click in one of them and the program will suggest design for you. You see, it is easy to use. The edit tab. It is the same as every edit tab in each software. Cut, paste. Now the colors and the fonts. Here you can choose the colors theme. You have multiple options. I will choose this, for example. Here, the font sets. You can choose your font. Let me choose this. You can see the changes are here. Or let me return back to home page. You can see. Now the typography. Let me choose centralize it, for example. You can see the change. The font scale. You can make it big or small. You can see. Now let me move to the layout tab. Okay, I will show you this example. I want to choose white. There's little changes, so you can see. Or choose this. Oh, it's not so good. As you can see, also you have many options. It is very easy to do whatever you want. It costs just one click. And you are done. Now to the content tab. Also, you have many options. The background. For example, you can add a picture for the background. You can see. The sheet. Here you can change the style. I will do this. You can see. The header. You can change the header background. Oops, the mouse disappeared. Let me retain it. It's better. You can also add images. For example, let me add this logo here. It's not so good, but you can see the difference. Now let us move to the menu. For example, you can choose the style for your menus. Let me choose this. You can see. Or you can choose the position. For example, if you want this to be here at the top of the page, you can choose this. You can see. The blocks. Also, you have a lot of options. And you can see the change directly here. You can also add vertical menu. I just want to show you. This is our menu. The controls. You can add buttons. And the last thing is the footer. You can change the position, for example. You can see. I will change it again. inside sheet, and here we are. Okay, and if you notice, in each tab you have this button, suggest button. It will help you to get a new ideas. Okay, as you see, this program is very easy to use. It includes many useful features and it is very hard to explain all of them in one video. But always remember, when you bought this course, you bought lifetime support and experience, which is more important than the course itself. I am always here. Nobody can explain everything, but when you ask, I will help you as soon as possible. If you have any questions on the software or in any other lecture in the course, just drop me a message or put your questions in the discussion section, and this really what I prefer because this will help all other students. And also you can join me on the social networks to get more and fast support, because the messages in Udemy take a while to reach me, so I need about 24 hours to respond to you. The last note in this lecture: Artisteer program isn't free, it's paid, but after you see the benefit of this software, I think you should think to buy it because it is really helpful and it is worth the try. You can find a link to this program in the resources. Also, don't forget to see the sample of the service, but again beware, it is just an example to give you an idea about the service. Please don't use it and be creative. Now, this is everything in this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.